Another day, another story. Host: Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. With the ongoing pandemic, working from home has become the new normal for many people. But staying productive while working from home can be a real challenge. In this video, we'll share some tips on how to stay productive while working from home. But first, a quick shout out to our sponsor for today's video, insert sponsor name. They offer, insert brief description of sponsor's product or service. Be sure to check them out using the link in the description below. Tip number 1. Create a comfortable workspace. Your workspace can have a big impact on your productivity. Make sure to create a comfortable and inviting workspace that's free from distractions. Choose a quiet and well-lit area in your home and set up a comfortable chair and desk. Tip number 2. Create a schedule. One of the biggest challenges of working from home is staying motivated and on task. Creating a schedule can help you stay focused and productive. Write down your daily tasks and prioritize them based on importance. Use a planner or calendar to keep track of your schedule and set reminders for deadlines. Tip number 3. Take regular breaks. It's important to take regular breaks throughout the day to recharge your energy levels. Take a short walk, stretch, or grab a healthy snack. Taking breaks can help you stay focused and productive throughout the day. Tip number 4. Minimize distractions. Distractions can be a major productivity killer when working from home. Turn off your phone, close unnecessary tabs on your computer, and try to limit social media use during work hours. Use noise-canceling headphones if needed to block out any external distractions. Tip number 5. Take care of your physical health. Working from home can sometimes lead to a sedentary lifestyle. It's important to take care of your physical health by incorporating exercise into your daily routine. Take a quick exercise break, stretch or practice some yoga to keep your body moving and improve your productivity. Host: That's all for today's video. We hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, staying productive while working from home takes some effort, but it's definitely doable. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.